Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. This vlog is over quite a long period of time. I just filmed lots of little snippets of lots of things that I've done over the past couple of months, and this is it, so let's dive into it. So I've had 2 pieces of PR this week, and I just thought I'd show you what they are. So the first one is actually from Arboreal. They've sent over their Super BB cream. Now this product I've had before, and it's exactly a year old, which is why they've sent this again as another mailer. So yeah, it's exactly 1 year after its launch. We're shining a light on our best-selling and award-winning Super BB. Whether you're suffering from an active breakout, trying to reduce acne scarring, or just prefer a higher coverage finish, it's the ultimate alternative to foundation, boosted with 4% niacinamide and white ginseng complex. Exciting. Yeah, I have used it when I got it last year. It's quite a while ago now. Sent a little card with lots of information. And yeah, you can buy this. So 15ml is £20.50, 40ml is £41. So it's come in this little box like this, and there's the product. So I've got the nude shade. They have 5 different shades. They have Claire, Nude, Doré, I don't know how you pronounce that, Caramel and Chocolat. Those are the 5 shades. And yeah, I've got Nude. I don't know if I've still got these on actually. Maybe I have. Especially going into summer as well, sometimes you don't want like a full layer of foundation, so this is like a perfect alternative. And then the next product is actually an item I've received in PR from Orly, which is a nail varnish brand, and this is the colour of the month, February. It's come in this cute little box. So here we have a little card. It says, introducing Orly's colour of the month. It's passion fruit. So this is what's inside. How beautiful is that shade? So yeah, I'm actually going to do my nails in that tomorrow, I think. I've got some love hearts as well for Valentine's Day. So it says, show your nails some love this month with this punchy pink cream polish. Passion fruit is the perfect Valentine's manicure shade to ignite some passion. Ooh. Vegan, cruelty free, and formulated without harmful ingredients. So there we have a nice little nail varnish. So yeah, I'm going to redo my nails tomorrow and use this. So I might try and film a reel. I'm trying to film more reels at the moment and try and be more active on Instagram. I used to post on Instagram every single day. I was quite consistent with it from 2017 to 2020. And yes, I think since I started YouTube, to be honest, in 2020, I've just not really been posting as much on Instagram. Because when I've only got like the weekend and evenings to obviously sort the house out, and then film content, edit content, then film different style of content for a different platform, then also take pictures. It's quite exhausting. So yeah, I obviously keep up with YouTube now, and I'm going to try and film some reels, so yeah, I'm going to do that. Also, shall we try this Misguided perfume? I've not actually tried it yet. This was sent to me last month. It was in last month's vlog. I did the whole makeup look with the Misguided makeup. It turned out pretty well actually. There were some products in there I didn't think, like I wasn't so excited about, but it was very nice. Yeah, that should be, well, that will be live when this video is live. Nice packaging. So it says, fragrance notes, a euphoric scent to ignite your senses, free your spirit, feel the beat and up the heat. Fruity floral scent headlines with top notes of tequila sunrise and dances with accords of coconut and pear. Feel the come up as floral heart notes make way backstage for woody earth, patchouli, vanilla swirls and tonka bean to take you down through sunset. Vegan and cruelty free. Sounds nice. I hope I like it. That's what it looks like. It's like summer in a bottle, so it's literally like a can. That's the top of it. It just says press for good vibes, and it comes out there. So should we spray inside the box in case I don't like it? Oh, the bottom's just completely fallen off it. Okay, I'm gonna hold it on. I'm just going to spray it like this. That's really nice. That smells so good. Mmm. That's a nice one. It's definitely like fruity. I just need to figure out how to fix this because that's going to keep coming off otherwise. Maybe I can like glue it or something. I'll get done to fix it. But yeah, that smells gorgeous. Hi guys, welcome back to my bathroom. I've just done my nails. How gorgeous is this colour? It's so nice. This is the Orly Valentine's one. And I'm now going to do a lash tint. I actually bought this when I was going on holiday, so it was in one of my holiday vlogs. And then I just never did it. I didn't have time before going on holiday. So yeah, it's brand new still, so I thought I would give it a go. This is the Colour Sport London 30-Day Mascara Lash Tint. So I've read the instructions. It says we put 1 centimetre of the gel onto the wand, work it into the bristles and brush it through the lashes.
Wipe lashes dry and then wait for 2 minutes. And then dip the tip of a cotton bud into the activating gel and apply the product around the eyelashes. And then wait for 2 minutes. And then rinse off with a wet cotton pad. Well, I've just done my makeup base because I'm going to film a makeup video in a minute. That's okay, I can just redo it. Right, so I need a cotton pad and a cotton bud. Be right back. I'm back. Luckily I keep a few of these for emergencies and I've got some cotton buds. These are the eco-friendly bamboo ones. Okay, so I need to clean my lashes first. Oh, this is what you get in the kit. So you get the activating gel here, that's number 2. This is the developer gel. You've probably all done this before, haven't you? So I get the little wand. So we put a centimetre of it on there. So I'm just going to brush through my lashes. Anyway, looks a bit not very nice. See how this goes. So I'm going to brush that through my lashes. Did you guys watch the NFL halftime show last night with Rihanna? The Queen? I thought it was really, really good. And she's having another baba. So many people online are saying that she was lip syncing. She wasn't. Like obviously there's parts, well that's quite a large gel, oops. There's obviously parts of the show where she obviously takes the mic away and it's like a backing track, but I know there were Rihanna songs. I know how the tune is supposed to go and she was definitely singing. But you know, hats off to her being pregnant and all that. Okay, so I've just dipped this now in that gel. And now I'm just gonna brush it through my lashes. Pretty good already actually. This side seems like way curlier than this side. Can you see? Weird. Okay, that is on. Now, what does it say? Wait for 2 minutes and then wipe off with a wet cotton pad. If it actually looks that colour, I think that's pretty good. So you're supposed to apply that gel with a cotton bud, which is why I got all cotton buds, but I just didn't do that. So I didn't go as close to the root as I probably should have done. This eye is definitely better than that eye. But not bad, it's giving the bottom lashes a bit of colour anyway. And I can see my dark circles. So yeah, I'm now going to go and film a makeup look, a Valentine's makeup look, using the Beauty Crop makeup. So yeah, but overall, that's not bad. Not bad for a first
Maybe it's too soon, yeah, you know we just met. What I got to lose, gonna send the address. I don't like to wait, so you better not leave me on red. No, not tonight. Cause I'm over with some friends and I'm over sending texts and I need to feel you here tonight. And I know you're home alone, just staring at your phone, so just come and meet me here tonight. I'm at a house in town with cars in the front. You'll probably hear the sound from the roof above.
Spend the day in Manchester today. I'm just about to go and get my hair done and then I'm going to do a bit of shopping, so I thought I'd bring you along with me. So I'm just heading over there now, I'm just in the car. So yeah, I will take you with me for the day. Let's go and get our hair done and let's go do some shopping. So I'm back from getting my hair done. I went a little bit blonder this time. I don't know if you can actually tell in this light, but it's a lot more cooler, which is what I wanted. Vetoed the shopping trip because by the time I got into town, got parked up and done my shopping, I'd have been driving home in rush hour. Didn't really fancy that, so I'm going to do that another day. But I've got an Amazon package here that I'm going to open. So I ordered like an acrylic display thing for some skincare, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is the acrylic display. Thought this could go in my background. It looks like I have to build it. So let's build it.
Feel you right now.
So Also, we have two of these little standy things, so I'm going to put these in my makeup room so I can fill them up with lots of skincare. So I've just moved these out of the way and I've put it here and I've put these products on it. But I think I might put it on this side here and keep that little light over here. But yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. So I just picked some products to put on there. And that can be in the background of all my videos then as well. I like it. The other one I'm putting on my dressing table with my products that I'm currently using. So I've just rearranged the top two products there because I thought it looked better. It looks quite dark on this camera. Oh, that was my knee. And then on the other side I've just kept it like this, and that other light is just on charge. I think that'll look quite nice now. It's going to be my background. So of course I can switch these products out as well and mix them up. But yeah, that's quite cute. So this is from Amazon, so I'll link this down below. That big light at the back, that was Dan's. I'll link that below as well. I can't remember where I got that from. I've had a couple of questions about this light. This is a Philips Hue light, so I'll link that as well. If you're interested in that, it does all different colours. Yeah, I really like it.
You should come. Are you staying in, or are you down to go out? If it gets too late, we'll go back to my house. Better get here fast, cause I really need to feel you right now. Cause I know you're ADD, but just focus here on me, cause I need.
Hi guys, how are we all doing? I hope you're all doing really well. It's now the middle of March. How? Like, where's the time going? This year is just going so fast. I'm just about to do, I need to do my nails, because if you follow me on Instagram you'll see my stories. I use those Kiss nails, and they lasted 2 days. They're absolutely rubbish, so yeah, I need to redo my nails. So I'm just going to redo my nails, but I'm going to film a reel at the same time, so you'll see them. And then you might notice I'm not wearing any mascara. I'm going to put some of those Tatti lashes on. So I actually bought these in like December, I think. And I've not put them on yet, so I thought, right, I'm actually going to put them on. So I've left my eye makeup up. I need to do my nails first, and then I'll put those on. Also, on my lips, I'm wearing that Wee Cherie lip oil, and it's really nice. I love this colour. And on top, I've got the Vive lip oil, this one. This is so nice. It's a bit sparkly as well. Really pretty. So yeah, and then I'm going to film a declutter. I know I did a declutter not too long ago, but I have too much stuff and I want it to look minimalist. And minimalist in this room are not even in the same universe. So yeah, I'm going to do some decluttering. I just want to sort these drawers out. I want to sort this out because although I like this and it is, you know, tidy and everything's organised, there are some products in there I'm just not going to use. Like same here. I just need to declutter more stuff. So yeah, I want things minimalist. I want to get rid of stuff. And yeah, just get rid of stuff I'm not going to use. Someone did ask me on my, was it my declutter video? I can't remember. Anyway, they asked me if I've got a Depop where I sell my stuff I've decluttered. I do have a Depop, but I generally just put my clothes on there. I don't like resell products, but depending on what I declutter, I might put some bundles up or something. So if you're interested, I will link that down below, because most of this stuff is from advent calendars where I bought like 27 different advent calendars, and I'm just not realistically going to get through this stuff. I've given all to family and friends, and yeah, there's still so much stuff. My hair is so poofy today. It's the way I blow dried the front. It's looking lighter. It's still not as light as I want it. So yeah, that's my plan today. So those clips you've just seen are actually from my cousin's wedding, which was last weekend. So yeah, we went down to Crewe, or up to Crewe, down to Crewe, for the wedding. So yeah, it was quite a trek for us. We had to get up really early to do my hair and makeup. What is this doing? Really, that's so annoying. And yeah, we went down there for the day. So we just did like the day bit. So it was the ceremony and then the breakfast, and then we came home for Luna Bell. And yeah, I just wore the exact same outfit I wore for my friend's wedding in December. So I had that old poly dress on, just my grey like blazery thing. I didn't get a new outfit or anything. I also have my earrings in. These are my earrings I wore. I got these for Christmas from Dan. I love palm trees. They're my favourite. So yeah, so that was last weekend. So that was just a trip down there, and I can't really remember what I filmed. But yeah, we took Luna out in the snow yesterday. She absolutely loves the snow. She's so cute. And yeah, she just loves it. I'll show you what it's like now though. It like quite a lot of it is melted, but it's a bit icy now. So this is what it's looking like now. So like The road is fairly clear. You can definitely drive around it. Yesterday all that was like pure ice, everyone's getting stuck. But it's still very snowy everywhere else and it looks so pretty. Yeah, we went into one of those fields yesterday. Luna had the best time, she loves the snow. Looks really nice, doesn't it? So yeah, so that is today's plan. So I'm gonna do my nails, do my lashes, and then crack on with my decluttering.
Yeah, we're having people here. We'll get a little weird, so just come and meet me here tonight. I'm at a house in town with cars in the front. You'll probably hear the sound from the roof above. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. 'Cause there's a room upstairs where nobody goes, and I'll be good, I swear. Just need you alone. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. Are you close? 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 You should come. I'm at a house in town with cars in the front. You'll probably hear the sound.
So it's snowed a bit overnight. And it's still snowing now. What is that? It's gone to the deepest bit.
Where's he gone?
So I'm just putting on some eyelashes. I've picked up the Tatti lashes, individuals and the set as well. So I've got the Invisalign, which is like the glue and the cure, and then also the little tweezers as well. So these are lashes, I've just applied this side, that literally sit underneath your natural lashes, so not on top like normal lashes, which means they look more natural and they stay on for, I think it's like a week. So yeah, I've just done it this side, so I'm just going to do the other side now. So the first step is to apply this glue. This is the Bond. So I've applied that, and then I'm going to use, they come with 3 different lengths. We've got the 8, 10 and 12. So on this side I've done 2 12s, 2 10s and an 8. So I'm going to do the same on this side. So I'm going to take my 12 first, and I'm going to apply that to the outer edge. Here's the second one. Okay, so now I'm going in with a 10. Then I'm going to do another 10 and an 8. I'm going to reapply some more of that glue. And that is it. So I've literally applied did I do 2 12s? No, I did 2 12s, 1 10 and 2 8. So I've done 5 little clusters of lashes across, and then you just seal it with the cure, which is the other side of this. It says you don't run it through the lashes, you just kind of press it into where the glue is. And that just like gets rid of any stickiness. And then we have the finished lashes. So I just need to get rid of the adhesive that's up here, but yeah, I like them. It says you've got to keep them away from water and steam for 24 hours like you would with lash extensions. So yeah, cute.
Hey guys, so it's now, I don't know, a lot later in the month. I've got something very, very exciting to share with you. This is a little project I've been working on for basically this month. Yeah, quite a while. I've had this idea in my head since I was a teenager, and I've always wanted to do this, and this month I decided to actually do it. And I've actually written a children's book, and I finally got my copy in the post. This is it. How exciting. This is actually a book, a real book that I made. Yeah, I wanted to do this for the longest time. My head does not sit right on hoodies. And I've had the idea for this book in my head for ages, and it's a bit of a true story. So yeah, I decided to bring it to life. So this book is actually on Amazon, and I can order it on Amazon. It's amazing. It is just a little children's book. It's a little rhyme children's book. I've got images in it, and yeah, this is it. So I didn't really do this to become like a children's bestseller. I just wanted to actually bring my idea to life, and I've done it, and I'm so excited that it's actually a book. And I'm so proud that I've actually done it. The idea of the story also came from when we were little, me and my sister, we used to always get frogs in the garden. So this is kind of like where the idea of the story comes from. And Francine the Frog was just a little frog I used to always doodle, and I've now made it a real thing. So I think I'm going to be doing some more of these. I might do some more Francine the Frog little stories, but I'm going to try and do some different ones as well. But yeah, how exciting. So this came the other day, and it's just a little bit surreal to see my actual book on Amazon. Like, it says author and my name. So yeah, like I said, I didn't do it to make money. I put it at the lowest possible price I could on Amazon, because obviously it does cost Amazon to print it, and then Amazon takes a cut of the excess of that as well. So yeah, so it's only up for like the minimum amount that I could put it up for, but I just wanted to get it up. And yeah, I will link it down below if you want to have a look at it and support me. I would really, really appreciate it. If you do actually pick it up, please drop me a 5-star review. That would be amazing. And let me know in the comments down below if you did pick it up as well, so I can say thank you. But yeah, how exciting. Exciting news as well, guys. I've actually got a discount code now for Look Fantastic. So my code is Miss Boux, all one word, all in capitals. Is focused. And it's one of the influencer codes that gets you like 20% off most items on the website, apart from like there are some exclusions. And then when they have their offers on, you can use my code to get like an extra 5%. I can't tell if this is focused or not. I think it's just really bad lighting. So yeah, exciting. So if you want to shop anything on Look Fantastic, obviously I show you so many products that I use and love from Look Fantastic. Yeah, use my code and get some discount, which is fab. I think Luna's just come to say hello. Come say hello. Come here. Here she is, the little monkey. We're a little bit muddy because we went in the field earlier, didn't we? We've got some muddy paws. Yes, we have. Yeah. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute and squishy. You're a good girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. So, seeing as I had my code, I thought, let's pick up a few products. Let's, you know, top up on some items. So I picked up a few things. Oh, it's only like a very, very small haul. It's not like a huge thing. I picked up some purple shampoo. I've not used purple shampoo in like, I want to say like 5-6 months. It's been ages. I think I finished off that Fanola and it was like my bathroom for ages. And yeah, I've not used any blue shampoo since, but my hair is quite yellowy still and I really want it like icy. So I've just picked up a Fudge Clean Blonde Violet Toning Shampoo. So yeah, I'm gonna get back on the blue shampoo hype. Next I got some new tweezers. My tweezers seem to go walkabouts, I'm just forever losing them. So I got these from So Eco. It's a combination tweezer set. They look nice and sharp. So I thought I would try these ones out. So Eco as well, give back to the environment. It says we plant a tree for every 100 products sold, which is nice. Next I got a body cream. This is from Burt's Bees. Now I've only ever used the Burt's Bees lip balm and it's really nice. And I saw this and I thought I would try it. It's the hemp body lotion for dry skin. So I thought I would try that one out. And then finally, I got a cleanser. You know, I love a good cleanser. This one, I didn't even realise, I mean, I knew Bondi Sands did skincare because I've tried their hyaluronic acid and their mask before and something else, I can't remember. This is the Melt Me Moisturising Cleansing Balm. So I saw this. Focus. So I saw this and I didn't realise they actually did a cleansing balm, so I thought I would try it. And yeah, excited to use this one. Another good cleanser. It says dissolve the day. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So yeah, those are the products I picked up. So I'll leave my code down below and a link if you want to shop and get some discount. Yeah, make the most of my discount code. before new car day, which I'm very excited about, and this is my last little trip in my Fiesta. So I've just nipped to the shop now, and yeah, this is it, last little journey, and then in the morning he's gonna go on a truck and I'll get my new car and I'm so excited. But yeah, I had this valeted today and it smells so nice and it looks brand new now, and I'm like, kind of want to keep it, but then I just have to think my new car is way better. I'm so excited for it. So yeah, say goodbye to the Fiesta. It's served both of us very well for the past however many years it's been. But yeah, new car tomorrow. I can't wait to show you what it is. I'm so excited. So guys, my new car is here and I'm in it, and it is so nice. Honestly, every time I look at it I just smile because I think it's just so lush. So yeah, I'm going to show you the outside of it now. Luna's here as well. She's having a bit of a run around, so you can see Luna as well. So here she is. This is my new Audi TT. And Luna, so excited. So here she is. She is perfect. It took ages to find the one I wanted. But this is the TT, it's an S-Line. Luna, are you trying to be in the camera? Are you trying to be in it? It is the S-Line, which means it's got these little like S-Line features here. It's got 2 exhausts as well. Luna, hi! And yeah, isn't she gorgeous? I'm literally obsessed. Wait, have you got a stick? How good she looks from a distance. Dan's brought his car out as well. We're just gonna head up to my mum's today. So yeah, this is Dan's baby. Beautiful. Dan put that extra spoiler on as well, which looks really cool. Mine actually has a spoiler. I've not got it up right now, but it does have a little spoiler as well, which is so cute. But yeah, she's gorgeous. I'll put a picture here as well from the day I got it, because we found this really like picturesque spot. And yeah, the spoiler's up on that one, but yeah, she's just a beaut. And then inside as well, it's just so nice. Just need a hoover already, but yeah, this is the interior. The back is not the biggest, it is 2 seats, so you can obviously get people in there. I can fit in it, but like if Dan was driving and the seat's all the way back, there's not enough room, but there's enough room for Luna, which is why we have her blankets here, so Luna can sit in the back here, or my handbag, you know. So yeah, this is my gorgeous little car, and this is her. So pretty. Even charging my phone. I can put the spoiler up here. Putting the spoiler up so you can see. And she's in the reflection. But yeah, I'm obsessed. It is automatic as well. I've not driven an automatic before, so it was quite entertaining when the car turned up, because I got in the car not knowing actually how to drive it, so the lady had to show me. But yeah, once I got the hang of it, it's absolutely fine. It's so much easier to drive, especially like when I'm going to work and stuff, because I don't have to keep changing to first gear and sitting on the brake and stuff and the clutch. When there's like traffic, it's just really easy. And yeah, but it's beautiful. Love it. This is my key as well. Got this little case just to protect it. I thought it looked really cute. And then I got a little personalised key ring thingy. That case is from Amazon and this is from Etsy. So yeah, hopefully I won't lose it. But yeah, this is it. This is my new car. So much better than the Fiesta. I did love the Fiesta, nothing wrong with it. But yeah, this is gorgeous. And it's so fast as well. It's a second faster than Dan's. It's like, I think it's 0 to 60 in 6.6 seconds. Pretty speedy, but it's because it's light. But yeah, this is my new car. So I'm going to end the vlog on that note. I will tell you about my dramas with Kazoo, which is where I bought it from, in the next vlog. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I know it's been a long time coming, this one, but I got around to finish it in the end. I just wanted to get a nice shot of my car to end it on a nice note. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon for another video.